well, let's get some trending tickers as well here. Mizuho upgrading Intel to a buy with a $50 price target. Firm noting Intel's now refocused on a better 2024 roadmap, which could drive data center and PC share gains and improve margins, they think. So this one, Julie, Mizuho goes to a buy. Of course, the stock has already ripped higher in 2023, right? So they're moving in. I mean, it's already up about, let's call it 60%, but Mizuho, now a believer, they go to a buy. That price target goes to 50 from 37. I think new server products on the way. That's part of their bet that has them excited. And they think we're going to hear more about Foundry customers in the coming months. The Foundry business, meaning making chips for others. And we know that, of course, has been a big focus for CEO Pat Gelsinger.
Yeah, and they sort of see more clarity around the company's plans here. They talk about an improving data center roadmap for the company, product launches that they're anticipating that are going to be coming out from the company. They call 2024 one of the most prolific product launch years for Intel. So that's one of the things that they say is going to fuel some of the gains for the company. It's interesting also this upgrade coming even as we heard from Microsoft yesterday, which is introducing some new AI chip products on the ARM architecture. And we know that this is listen, it's always a competitive time in chips, but it feels like an unusually competitive time in the chip space. And at a time when, yes, Intel stock has really rallied, but it's still, in the eyes of many investors, playing some catch up here.
Yeah, although a tremendous run this year. And if you look at the street right now, to your point, Julie, still about 62%, the majority are on a hold on the name. So waiting to see maybe how some of these new products, what kind of demand they really see.
Yeah. All right, let's talk Sonos.
Sonos shares surging after teasing a plan to expand into a major new product category. CEO Patrick Spence saying the company expects to generate over $100 million from new product introductions this year. So new product, and the reports seem to suggest that maybe that new product, reportedly, Julie, is going to be headphones.
Right. There had been some reporting that's what they were thinking about.
Bloomberg says, by the way, the company's been working on headphones for more than 4 years. The board we should mention the board also authorized capital return news here, new $200 million buyback program. That never hurts. Brent Till at Jefferies, we know Brent very well, has a buy in the name, says yes, initial guidance. The offer was kind of weak for 2024, but he likes these headphone news.
Yeah, he says that the launch of a product like that would be a no-brainer, he was quoted as saying here. And what I find really interesting is you and I we looked at Sonos yesterday after the close, after it reported its earnings. And the stock wasn't doing anything. And then it just took Patrick Spence, a product teaser here, the new product is coming, in order to get that stock to shoot upward on the hopes that indeed, this is something we've had Patrick on Yahoo Finance a number of times, and our Brian Sozzi has asked him a number of times, what's the next thing, Patrick? When's it coming? What's it going to be?
And he's
been very coy on that front. So I guess him giving any kind of little hint of news is enough to drive the stock higher. We are a heavy Sonos household.
Are you?
I don't know that we'll go into the headphones.
The speakers, the devices, the whole thing.
It's speakers. That's all they sell right now. Just the speakers. But we got a bunch of speakers.
For them, it's been, I know it's been kind of softer for them. And listen, it's not just them. Consumer tech spending overall has been a bit rough and under pressure. So maybe this is the move, the headphones.
I mean, you can
get
only
people excited.
Buy some. You only have so many rooms in your house at a certain point.
There's only so many Hymans. I mean, come on.
Yeah, exactly.